For class students, how are you? I hope you are fine and enjoying online classes. Students, today your lecture number 11, topics programming language. Students, I am describe you today about programming language. Programming language, computer understand programming language and binary language, don't human language directly. Computer is far from the human language. So next move to the programming language. A programming language is a set of instructions that a computer can interpret and carry out. We give the instruction to the computer and computer perform different tasks, and we give the different command and instruction to solve different problems on the computer by programming language. And instructions is also called a command. The computer programs are written in special programming language. These languages are some described here: PHP, Java, C++, and HTML. These languages used, we create different applications and different projects on the programming language. By using programming language, we create different types of environment as you are desired. So next move to the next slide. Algorithms. What is algorithm? In simple word, algorithms is a set of instructions give to the step by step in a sequence. It tells us what to do step by step. We use algorithm to perform some calculation tasks and data processing. In these lectures, you see the algorithm. Example: algorithm to make French toast. Break an egg in a bowl, add a little milk and sugar, beat well for a minute. Dip a slice of bread in the egg mixers that we make French toast. Heat a spoon of oil in a pan, fry the bread and serve it. That is example of a algorithm. So algorithm follow step by step in the sequence. Now we move to the flow chart. What is flow charts? A flow chart is used to represent an algorithms. We use different types of flow charts. Flow charts have different shapes. In different shapes, we use to perform a algorithm by the using of flowchart symbols. Flowcharts make it easier to understand algorithms and find errors in the sequence of steps. In the next slide, you see the example of flowchart. You see one flowchart starting and ending point. Starting and ending point. Ending point also called terminated point. Start, switch on the power supply. After that, we press button on the system unit. Student, you see the button system unit on your system unit. Open the start menu to choose what you want to do on the computer. Now we move to the next. Basics. Basic stands for beginners all purpose symbolic instructions code. That is the instructions code given to the computer as a command and order. Computer don't think itself, so therefore we give to the instructions in the different types of basic simple English word to give commands and instruction to the computer. Basic programming language that beginners find easy to learn and use. So we use programming language given to the instruction to the computer. So today lecture is end, so listen it carefully. Thank you so much.